Okay, so we got our brand new TYTUS grills here. Well, grill with side bins. So we're going to be doing an unboxing here. Pretty excited because I'm not very handy, and these things, the claim to fame is basically no tools and 5 minutes. So I think we can do it. But all right, so we're going to start out obviously by unboxing it, seeing what we got to work with here, and. Alright. So we just basically removed the top innards of the thing, and the box actually just slides right up off of it. I have it unboxed here, so this is exactly how it will come to you. Okay, so all of the innards are right in there, all your instructions and everything. So the next step here is to unlatch it from the base. So it comes pre-packaged here. That's the whole base underneath it. So there's 4 of these. Get those undone, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to lift off the top there and get the sides up, and we'll have the base together. It's all unlatched here from the base, so you just lift it up off. It's really not too heavy, but definitely needs 2 people. There. And, alright, so instructions, basically this all comes up here. Get everything untucked here. But these are the sides that come up here.
You have to bring these handles up so they're out of the way.
Right there. And these kind of latch into place here. So that's how that goes right there. Do the last one here. Same kind of latch, they click into place. And then this all comes out, and that's your base. Wow, that is quick. So there's some styrofoam here, taking that out ahead of time. It's already on its casters. The base is done. Alright, so we got the 4 sides up here, so then there's just one little piece here that's the back of it. So I'll get that kind of set in.
You want to set both sides in before you push it into place.
Yep. There we go. So the back is on here. So now we just put this over, lined up. Lift up your end a little bit. There we go. And so those same latches that hold it down together in the packaging are what are used to secure the base to the grill. And that's that. That part here. Right in here. I mean, the whole assembly is really very intuitive. There we go. And if you didn't have the sides onto it, then you'd pretty much be done at this point. So next step though for us is we're going to go ahead and get the cooler and the side burner put together. Okay, so we got the side panels unboxed there. Have a distinct feeling that it's going to take longer to unbox it and unwrap it than it will to actually assemble the thing. These are really good quality. They do label them left and right, so you'll be able to tell what's what. Pretty heavy, so well made, well packaged. Everything's really nice so far. So you just stand these up. This little pin pops out and these expand out. And that's that. So there's the base to the side carts are done. in here. Just pull that pin. Slide it out. That's that. Okay, so we got the bases accordioned out here, so we just got to get the side plates onto it before we put the tops on each side.
And each side has a label for left or right.
And you put it on the same way as you did that back piece there, so you just kind of get both of them lined up here before setting it down. A little tricky, but there we go. Okay, so we got the left side done, so now we'll do the right side. Right side on this one is the burner, which is a sear burner. Okay, a little tricky, but we got it. So the base clips in to the top using this little pin. So you're going to get it set on, and that's going to click over, and there's a little button to release it if you ever need to take it apart. And that clips into there. So you got 4 pieces. They just fit into each one of these little spots here. So we'll get these connected here. First step, you do the cooler side first, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get all the plumbing fed through for the regulator, get all that connected before you connect this side. So this looks like it just kind of lifts up and over here. According to it, yep. And clips on, and that's secure. So all the plumbing we left connected under there. So that's where you find it. Just undo it, and we'll just feed this through here into the other side there. And then this is just a quick connect that will connect right up under there. All right, so we got the plumbing all connected and pushed through here to the main part. So this last little bit, so there's a little trick here to kind of get your foot under here to guide it in, to make sure everything connects right. Just makes it a little bit easier there. So that's that. The grill's assembled here. I mean, quite frankly, it may be a little bit more than 5 minutes, but it's certainly, because it takes longer to unwrap the thing than it does to actually put it together. Things really well made, really good quality. Looking forward to being able to cook on it here. Alrighty, so we got it all hooked up, propane's connected. We've had it running for a while here, just seeing to get to the max temperature and get everything burned off there. So we're hovering right around 525. So far everything's looking good.